Can you please tell your name and what they can see here so they can come and visit you guys?
Yeah, my name is Ame, and I'm a guide of this place. And the place is in Tazari here. So in Tazari here we got two projects. In here we got caves and Camilo. So when you come here, you enjoy, have a chance to see the chameleon, hold and play with them. You see, go and see the caves with the different stuff inside. A very, very beautiful caves. Yeah, thank you.
And how much the entrance fee once they can come?
Once you come here, there's an entrance fee for both our tour. And for chameleon is $5. To the cave, $10 per person.
Yeah.
So this is a basic.
Okay,
so people send the kids and everything.
So they can see what you have. So here. So this is called what?
Yeah, this is a Tazari cave.
Tazari Cave. Oh
Yeah,
my God.
Tazari cave.
It's safe there?
No,
No?
that's why we are here. Of course it's safe.
Yeah, it's safe. Yeah.
Look, you have stairs to go inside.
Yeah.
Hey, you adventure, huh? It's good, huh? We make a turn.
Yeah, we're gonna come out another way.
Okay. Nice.
Another way?
Yeah.
But we just walk, not crawl.
No, very, very big space.
Okay.
Inside and very wide.
Just here, yeah?
Yeah, just there we just.
But there's no as in snake that can bite you.
No.
Of course.
Okay. I can finish this. This one, yeah? It looks like something bird. Yeah, this one. So, Kaka, this cave, how did you maintain this one?
Okay. I'll tell you something about this cave. Okay? Let's get inside. Okay, bend your head.
You can breathe.
Yeah.
So, when you talk about the latest discovery of the cave, this one among those. Yeah, I mean, this cave had been delayed to be discovered.
Okay.
And the reason why, because the villagers believe.
Ah.
You know.
Yeah,
So this
yeah.
cave discovered in 2013.
2013.
Yeah, 2013, yeah, of course. And you know, the villagers were believed
Yeah.
if they decided to cancel for big cave like this,
Yeah, yeah.
something bad would happen.
Yeah.
Yeah. Particularly in terms of spiritual.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
yeah.
But things were different. Things was different. So in 2013, the brave girl named Wazir came down here and he was finding material to be browsed. When he saw the cave, because the cave was covered by bush.
Yeah,
So when
yeah.
he saw the cave, he began exploring. Yeah. So when he came inside, it was so amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, to see like a stalactite there,
Yes, yes.
a landmark. He found some rocks with different shapes.
Yes. Yeah. Amazing, yeah? I didn't know that this exists in Tanzania and Dar es Salaam. But it's wonderful.
Yeah, like you see this.
Yeah,
big
this one. It's like what you call this, the elephant. you know,
Oh,
something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here it starts to grow. See?
Ah, okay.
As it grows,
It's growing.
yes,
Okay. Yeah. So how many minutes we before we finish this, or it's will be like 1 hour, 30 minutes?
No, it's not longer
Okay.
because the cave is about 160 meter length.
Okay.
So actually,
There's a lot now tourists to see this one, or still going for what you call this?
yeah, nowadays it operates like this. I mean, the tourists come and visit.
Okay.
Yeah. And even the locals, sometimes
even
they
the
come
local.
and yeah,
You are not afraid?
no afraid anymore. Yeah,
Okay.
of course.
This also see?
Yeah, look this stone, my friend, and just tell me if have an idea how does it look like. This.
It's like what you call this in the water. What you call that?
Yeah, the fish.
Let's see something. It's just a face. What kind of face? Is
Ah,
this?
Yeah, shark.
Very good.
Yeah.
With the teeth, eh?
Mm.
Yeah.
Maybe this is real shark then.
No. You see, it's fresh, huh? You're not cold?
Yeah, it's nice the weather. It's not hot. No. Yeah.
Oh. So crystal.
Yeah, it looks. This is also, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
How do you think? How does this look like? I mean,
This looks like something animals. This face.
also this from the sea, okay?
Yeah.
From the sea, and this is like a hair,
Yes, it's like head of the.
and its body.
It's like turtle.
Yeah.
It's turtle. That's why we came last
Yeah.
now before here.
Yeah, it's like a turtle.
Yeah.
There's one here, actually.
Mm-hmm, yeah. This is natural. Amazing. Yeah. So there is no water here inside, no?
No. So it's no water, but during the rainy season,
Mm-hmm.
Ah.
keep more dropping, but that's, the cave stay dry, you know.
Okay.
This here can like more dropping in that small pool that can be
Yeah,
full
yeah.
of water. Yeah.
Nagsha-shining siya.
Yeah, it's shy. Oh, yeah.
This like a
Teeth of
teeth of something.
Yeah.
Okay, keep that for
Yeah.
sure. Sure.
This also looks like head.
After 30 minutes.
Turtle head.
Yeah. Oh, you see this one is
Yeah.
connected. Yeah.
They are connected.
Yeah.
Oh, I saw now the the
Entrance.
the end of
The
this.
exit.
This also looks like teeth or something. And it's not hot here, yeah? There is
Yeah.
air
Yes,
still.
Yeah. No. Air goes.
Mm-hmm.
There is a second cave, no? There is two caves, this one and another one.
Yeah. In here, 2 caves.
Okay.
Yeah. But the second cave is warm, okay?
Mm-hmm.
It's warm and it's deeper also.
So we visit the second one, no?
Okay.
And your hand.
So, ayan na. Palabas na kami.
Yeah. The second cave. Is
So, this cave is, what is the name?
Sorry?
The second
This
one?
second, what is the name? Or
Oh,
that's
it's
the
the
extension?
They call Tazari Twins Cave.
Tazara.
Tazari.
Tazari.
Tazari Twins Cave, yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay, this is deeper one.
Mm-hmm. And this is hot. What do you call it now?
It's like chandelier once
Yeah.
you come
Yeah,
inside.
French chandelier.
Yeah.
Chandelier.
Oh, this is green one.
Copper.
Yeah. Medyo tataas lang.
Switch off your phone, no?
No, I can manage. Hmm. You careful also. Yeah, this is too deep.
Yeah.
We need to be careful. But it's nice. Eh? So, so same thing, you discover same thing 2013. This also.
Discover the same.
Yeah.
Careful, no?
Yep. Pababa kasi siya. See. But here is more darker. Okay.
So we go down this way.
Okay. Careful, ah. Watch the head. Bend your head. Okay. this is.
So,
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, your head.
yeah. Some of the head.
This one is bigger.
Yeah, see, this is a big
No.
From here you can feel like a different,
Yeah.
humid here.
No, it's a big now.
Yeah.
But no bathroom.
There's
Yeah.
there's a
There
bathroom.
is
Where?
Can you see one?
not much.
Can you see a man?
There is.
Ah,
Can you see
Ah, yeah,
one?
the black.
Let's go. How do you-
But this is wider now, yeah?
Okay?
It's now wider, big.
Yeah.
yes, yes,
yeah,
yeah,
yeah, very widely. You see them butts
Mm-hmm.
up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at the crab spider.
Yep.
You see this one?
Mm-hmm.
oh my god. What is it?
Crab spider, they call crab spider.
It's blue?
And then we blow it out.
It's like blue something color. Yeah.
Is it dangerous?
It's not dangerous, but we don't use to touch it.
Mm. Oh, this is still long.
Yeah, about at the end. At the end of the cave and see many bats there.
Ah, yes, you see here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I like.
Wow. Now, put your hand in your hair.
When it's sunset, these bats they fly out,
Okay.
go hunting food.
Ah, okay.
Mm.
During the night.
Yeah.
And are they supposed to sleep?
So that's one end
Yeah,
now.
this-
Yeah?
no,
Ah, there's still?
no.
No,
not
I
the end.
mean, not the end.
This is the end. I mean,
Ah, okay.
So
We
we
can
end
go
up
or
with-
it's have to stay here?
no, we have to go back, or just if we just get close to there, it's fine. Yeah, it's up to you.
Ah, this is the end now. So, ito na yung end ng cave. Yeah. Here,
Small bats, eh?
yeah. Here a little,
Yeah, little bats.
yeah. Medyo mainit. Pero nakakaya pero.
It's hot.
Yeah. Amazing, yeah?
Ah, yes. Pretty bad, huh?
Mm.
Oh, this one we put for collect some water,
Mm-hmm.
and the locals come and take some water.
It's also like chandelier. Yeah.
Nice one.
Mm. I think it looks still wet,
Yeah.
this one.
Yeah.
It's like you do the
Mm.
stalagmite with the water.
Mm-hmm. Oops, careful. So, ayan, tapos na. Paakyat na kami, palabas na kami ng second cave. Medyo mainit dito sa second cave, pero ayos din ang aking experience. So, napakaganda na ma-experience yung ganitong bagay. So what is your name?
Ame.
Ame.
Yeah, my name is Ame.
He is the one a tour guide here for cave.
Yeah, for the cave, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So welcome to Tazari Twins Cave.
Yeah.
So today I'm with my friend, my tourist from Philip, and yeah, big note that one.
What is the name again?
Elephant Shrew.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you so much, Ahmed.
Okay, thank you too.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Yeah. See you soon again.
Okay.